Hexagonal closed packed structure. Consider an one layer of atom with minimal gaps closed packed. We can identify two kind of gaps, B type 1, 2, 3, 4, B type of gap, and C type of gap 1, 2, 3, 4. One set of B and C type of gap. Another set of B type of gap 1, 2, 3, 4. Another second type of 1, 2, 3, 4 C type of gap. So now we can fill the C type of gap by a green color atoms and randomly one C gap. So this is a C layer of atom, and orange color atoms are used for filling the B type of gap. So one layer of B type atoms are filled above the A layer, yellow color. This is the B layer of atoms, orange color, A, B, A. Three complete set of atoms are taken for forming hexagon. Now above the A, we fill the B gap, we call it as a B layer of atom. And above B, we again choose A gap, so that is why we choose yellow color, and we get a type of atom. So A, B, A at the bottom, B at the middle, and A at the top. Three layer of atoms are sequentially packed with minimal gaps. So we can identify from this structure hexagonally closed packed atomic arrangement. So we randomly identified 7 atoms which forms a hexagonal shapes closely packed. So we place back the hexagon, so one layer of atom is complete. And the second layer of atom, B layer, we randomly choose 3 atoms which are closely connected with minimal gap. So we can pass through the bottom A layer. So we place the B layer, 3 orange color atoms, and above that we fill A layer of yellow color atom again. And here also we can identify 7 atoms which forms a hexagonal shape with the middle one atom. So 6 side atoms and 1 central atom for the A layer, and for the B layer 3 triangular shaped atoms, and in the bottom the repetition of the top A is the bottom layer A atoms, 7 atoms. So we close with the 3 atoms at the B layer, and now we numbered the 7 atoms hexagonal, and in the above we are filling the B gap, only B gap, so with the orange atoms. So we cannot simultaneously fill C and B in one layer. So we can only fill the either one. So we choose B gap. So therefore the C gap left unfilled. For the second layer we choose B with the orange color. So yellow color is the A layer of atom, orange color is the B layer of atom. Once again in the above B we fill with the A layer of atom, yellow color, 7 atoms. 7 plus 3 plus 7, totally 17 atoms will form a hexagonal closed packed structure, A, B, A. One can feel the hexagonal shape with the 6 sides at one at the central atom. So all atoms are hot sphere model, and it's closely attached with minimal gap. We can pass through the B layer of atom that from the top. So in the sequence of atom, this is unit cell is formed, hexagonal packed structure is formed with the 3 layer of atomic arrangements. The bottom A layer is the complete layer of atom. Above that only 3 atoms at the B and 7 atoms at the A. again, third layer. So this is for the visualization. So one can also visualize now the B orange gap and C gap. C gaps are filled with pen which penetrates entire 3 layers. So which forms a C gap which is not filled at all for the hexagonal closed pack. So we have 3 layer of ABA atom. So A layer we pick 7 atom, B layer we pick 3 atoms. So one above one, and we can cut view or sectional view, or we can in the each layer we only remove the unit cell and we can see the sectional view, the left out atoms, which forms a HCP cavity. In the bottom A layer 7 atoms, and the middle layer 3 atoms, and in the top layer once again 7 atoms. If you close the rest of the atoms closely, it forms a regular sequence of atoms. So closing will make the regular sequence of atom. So unit cell is isolated now, but now it is surrounded with the rest of the atoms. So once again we can visualize bottom A, B, A forms a hexagonal pack.